Hello everyone, I am at Vaterstetten Autobahn Rasthaus again. Today I wanna do a 120 kilometers per hour Autobahn winter range test. I'm currently charging, I'm at 87%. Probably I will charge up to 90% or 95%. And the plan is, as usual, I will drive 44 kilometers. I will not drive down to 0%. I will estimate the range based on the distance I will drive and the percentage of battery the car will consume and the consumption itself. The outside temperature is -3 degrees Celsius right now. It fluctuates a bit. It might go as low as -5. And I will keep the heater at auto. I'll switch it off right now because I'm speaking. And I will also use the seat heater at mid level. Alright, we are charged to 90%. So let's start the climate control and reset the trip meter and let's get going. Alright, I marched to the Autobahn. I am cruising at 124, 125 kilometers per hour. The real speed would be 120 kilometers per hour for this. Something that I forgot to mention is that I was on the other side of the highway today in contrast to the last time. So I'm going to the opposite direction today, in case you were wondering if the routes are not the same. They are the same, but I'm just starting from the other side. So now, why I have more than one Autobahn winter range test? The general idea is to find out what is the best cruising speed for this car in winter conditions. I drove 8.3 kilometers in 4 minutes. The consumption is quite high. It's 264-63 watt hours per kilometer. And the temperature is -5 degrees Celsius right now. So we'll have to see if the consumption goes down. So we are going uphill a bit right now. So this could be one of the reasons why the consumption is going high. My first turn around point is just in a bit, very soon. Let me check. In 1 kilometer I have to turn around. Then we will see whether the consumption goes down, because we will go downhill a bit then. Yeah, so exiting the Autobahn, see you on the other side. Alright, I marched to the Autobahn. I drove 15.9 kilometers in total and the consumption is 242. I am at 81% and we started with 90%. Alright, I drove 29 kilometers. The temperature went down to -5 degrees Celsius. My consumption is 216 watt hours per kilometer. I am at 76% state of charge. I am very close to my second turning point. So I have to go to the rightmost lane. Let me just do that now. Yeah. Yeah, so the consumption is 215 watt hours per kilometer, which is a bit lower than the 130 kilometers per hour test. So that is expected. I would expect it to go as low as 210, to be honest with you. But let's see what happens. Alright, so I am exiting the highway now and I will have to turn around. Alright, I turned around and I'm back to the Autobahn. I see an Elefantenrennen in front, so I will have to overtake, but there is a lot of cars coming. But anyway, the consumption right now is 212 watt hours per kilometer and I drove 37.7 kilometers. I am at 73% state of charge. The temperature is minus 4 degrees Celsius. So let me just change my lane just to avoid the Elefantenrennen. Okay, I can just go back. Yes. Yeah, so the consumption is 212 watt hours per kilometer, which is expected. I would have liked it to be 210, but yeah, 212 is not that bad. Alright, I almost arrived at the starting point, and the consumption is 213 right now. Yeah, and I am at 70% state of charge. I drove for 25 minutes, so let me just exit. Alright, I arrived with 70% state of charge. I drove 44.6 kilometers, and the final consumption is 209 watt hours per kilometer. I drove for 28 minutes. Putting these numbers together, the net battery capacity would be 46.61 kilowatt hours, and the range would be 223 kilometers, which is a bit more than the previous test where I drove 130 kilometers per hour. The range for that was 211 kilometers. So here you have it, 223 kilometers of Autobahn winter range, cruising at 120 kilometers per hour, and the temperature is around -1 to -5. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.